Allah is great. Allah is kind. He gives us peace. He helps our mind. He made the sun, the moon, the sky, and lovely birds that fly so high. With thankful hearts, we always say, Alhamdulillah every day. Allah, Allah, you are kind. You give us love, you give the moon the sky. You hear our prayers night. You hear our prayers both day and night. Say, thank you Allah every day. With joyful hearts we'll always say, Alhamdulillah every day.